Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a NASCAR driver whose career is all about perseverance, passion, and family. You may know his name, but let's take a deeper dive into the life of Mike Wallace, a true legend in racing. Mike Wallace, born on March 10, 1959 in St. Louis, Missouri, is part of the iconic Wallace racing family. His brothers, Kenny and Rusty Wallace, are both well-known drivers, but Mike's story is a unique one that stands on its own. Over the years, Mike has carved his own path, proving time and again that it's not just about the victories, it's about heart and determination. Mike's journey into NASCAR wasn't a smooth ride. He started racing in the 1980s, working his way up from the ARCA Racing Series. It was here that he built a reputation for being consistent and calm under pressure. By 1990, after years of hard work, Mike made his debut in the NASCAR Cup Series. But it wasn't until 1991 that he truly broke through, earning a full-time ride with the TriStar Motorsports team. Throughout his career, Mike faced many challenges, team changes, ups and downs, but through it all, his resilience stood out. Over the years, he competed in both the Cup Series and the Xfinity Series, driving for a variety of teams and accumulating over 450 races in the Xfinity Series alone. Though he didn't always land in the winner's circle, his ability to adapt to different teams and series showed just how versatile and passionate he was about the sport. Mike's biggest asset was his drive, not necessarily to win every race, but to keep pushing forward. His story is one of hard work, dedication, and proving that persistence can keep you in the game. In NASCAR, where so much focus is placed on the top drivers and race wins, Mike Wallace's journey is a powerful reminder that staying in the sport for as long as he did is an achievement in itself. Beyond the track, Mike is known as a devoted family man. He and his wife Carla are often seen together, and he's a proud father. Off the track, Mike has also given back, supporting various charitable causes. His contributions to the racing community go beyond just driving. He's also a role model for those who look up to him. While Mike's career slowed down in the later years, his legacy lives on in the NASCAR world. He may not have racked up the same number of wins as some of his peers, but his career is a shining example of what it takes to succeed in this highly competitive sport. So, whether it was his adaptability, his work ethic, or his ability to inspire, Mike Wallace's impact on NASCAR is undeniable. His story proves that sometimes the journey, not just the victories, defines a driver's legacy. If you enjoyed this look at Mike Wallace's career, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more racing stories. And hey, who's your favorite NASCAR driver? Let us know down below. Until next time, keep your engines revved and your eyes on the track.